Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here today we are going to talk about these products. I picked them up here in the Dollarama and it's about face. Now, I heard that there's a brand out there for these is like, but these are dupes, so you can use them on the eyes or on your lips. So this green one here is for the eyes. So let's show you how it look, my friend. And I want to say welcome. If you're new here, welcome. So this is it. This is how it look here. I don't know about this color, you guys. I try to wear it. But you know, and then you have this one here is also for the lip. Let's show you how the color is. This one is for the lip. I was thinking, should I try the green one for my eyes? And then this brown one is also for the lip. Look at this. I don't know much about this product, but all I know that I went to the Dollarama here, not Dollar Tree, Dollarama, and I saw them. And also this one is like for the lip also, but this color, I don't know, you guys. So that's the color. They are matte. This one is a matte, is a matte fluid eye paint. I'm not gonna put this on my eyes because I think the color look like a concealer. And then this one here is also for the eyes. So let's show you, and they can also add to your lips. So I'm gonna try this one out on my eyes right now. Let's see how it goes. Yes, guys, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna try this on my eyes. I'm so afraid of the green color. So I'm gonna apply this to the eyes. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna also um blend this one out for the eyes. Can you see anything, you guys? So let's add some more of this paint. And I'm also going to add it to the lip here. And I'm gonna blend it again to my eyes. Not really looking bad. Look just really natural. So let's use a little bit of this one here. This is the brown one, and this one is for the lip here. This is it. So I'm just going to add a small amount of it um, to my eyes here at the outer corner of my eyes, and see how if it does just a small amount. I just add it with the green right here. And see, look at this color. I don't know if it's green or blue, but this is for the eyes. I'm so afraid of this, you guys. Really afraid of this color. So afraid of it. And then I am going to go back into the same color here and do apply it to my eyes back. I'm gonna use this color here. So I'm adding another one over it It's really looking, not looking bad for the eyes. It's not looking bad. Not looking bad at all. For, yeah. So I can use this on my eyes, like, and also add it to the lip. This is beautiful. Really, really beautiful, you guys. Okay. So let's also put some of this on the eyes also. Like, I like this color. It's so nice. Like, really, really nice. This one is so really, really nice. This color here. This one is really, really nice, you guys. So I'm gonna add this here and blend it. Blend it out. This is so beautiful. Wow, I love this color. So beautiful. And I think I have to put some. I love this color, like really, really nice, you guys. I didn't know that that one was so beautiful. Oh, wow. This is nice. Wow, this is so nice. So I am going to also get a darker shade. I'm gonna use a little bit of this color, this one here, to put at the outer corner, and I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand here at the outer corner of my eyes right here. So I'm gonna use a different brush because you cannot use the same brush that you use. You can't use the same brush that you use to put in the color. So I'm just gonna, see. And these things, when they dry, they not easy to come off your hand. I tried it yesterday and it wasn't easy to get off my hand. I'm gonna add some of this to my hand and put it on the eyes also. This one here to clean up because this is like a base, like really of a base. Here, I would use this as a base. And you can see that it's really dry on my eyes, you guys. So we say today we are going to use this one and the lip and see how beautiful this one is. I don't know, these things smell like a paint though, but I'm still going to try it like. Okay, guys, so I love some of these. This color here is really beautiful. This is the one. I have these two on my eyes. First, I lay down this one on this eye, and then I apply this over it, and then I put this at the outer corner of my eyes. I don't have on any mascara or anything. I put this at the outer corner of my eyes. That's where I put this. I have this one on my lip, and I also have this one on my lip. They are matte, so whenever you apply this, if you come across these and you apply it to your lip, make sure that you put on a lip gloss. Sorry, if you come across these and you use them on your lip, make sure you put on a lip gloss on your lip. But overall, I really like these two color and this one here. They smell like paint, but they say it's all about face. I don't know who come up with this product, but I was watching and somebody was saying it's a dupe for another makeup brand. I'm not sure, you guys, so don't come for me. This one here, it's really when it dry, you have to make sure that you clean it off properly off your eyes, I think. But overall, this one, I wouldn't use this on my eyes. This one is supposed for the eyes, but I would prefer to use this. It's eye paint, but I wouldn't use it on my eyes. And you can see I all make sure this is how it is. I wouldn't use this on my eyes. I would prefer to use this as a base if I do use it on my eyes and put on a eye color over it. This one here, let me show you. This one here is the same thing here. And these, when they dry, they're not easy to come off. So this is this one here. And it said all about face. This one is for the eye, is the eye paint. And this one is also is an eye paint. I have five of them. This one is a lip paint, which is so beautiful. This color is really nice, you guys. This one here, let's swatch it right here. It is a lip paint, and I love this color. It's like natural nudish color. This one here, it's also a lip paint, which is a brown. So for instance, let's add a little bit over here. You could use this as a lip, like a lip liner for your lip, and add something in the middle. So beautiful this is. This one I love also. This one here, which is, let's show you the color. This one. These are the color. As far as the pink one go, it's also for the eyes. But you can also use this also on your lip. So these are how it is. So these are my five eye and lip paint from Dollarama here. And when you go in the store, people really pick up these stuff, like pick them up a lot. So these are the five of them. I also bought one of their lip liner, which is more of a orangish color. But I do love this, you guys, really nice. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell that when I do upload, you can be notified. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.